This is Village Auto's 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ with four-wheel drive. Beautiful Avalanche, two-owner vehicle with a clean auto check history report. It's got the tow package, nice aluminum rims with four-wheel disc brakes, chrome fender flares. It's got the 5.3 V8, fog lights, front tow hooks. Beautiful burnt orange in color. We got direction mirrors, power windows, locks and mirrors, heated leather front seats along with memory seats. It's got the wood grain, power driver's seat and passenger, leather interior, CD, DVD, dual climate control, adjustable gas and brake pedals, tow haul mode, steering wheel sound controls, cruise control. It's got the sunroof. There's your four-wheel drive. And for the back here, audio plugins for the Panasonic DVD player. Very nice and clean inside. Only $14,995 for this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ with four-wheel drive. Stopping at Village Auto and take this Chevrolet Avalanche home with you today.